How do you do?
How do you do, fellow kids?
What?
I'm Jared, and this is Changelog News for the week of Monday, December 12th, 2022. Let's do it. First up, it's tRPC, which allows you to easily build and consume fully type-safe APIs without schemas or codegen. How does it do its thing? By making good use of TypeScript inference. And since TypeScript is core to tRPC, it comes with auto-completion and all the tooling benefits that TS users love. tRPC creator Alex says this about the project, quote, "I built tRPC to allow people to move faster by removing the need of a traditional API layer while still having confidence that our apps won't break as we rapidly iterate. Try it out for yourself and let us know what you think."
Excuse me, Flo? What is the soup du jour?
It's the soup of the day.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
The top clicked link in the latest Changelog newsletter was Michael Muré's Git bug repo. This is a cool idea, a bug tracker that is fully embedded in Git, which means that anywhere your Git repo goes, the bug tracker goes with it.
Well, as I see it, there is only one solution. And that is for me to get my gear, move it on in here, because I'm going to bunk with you, buddy. We're going to be buddies. We're going to be pals. We're going to wrestle around. Old Matt's going to be your shadow. Here's you, here's Matt. There's you, there. Whoops-a-daisy. Whoops-a-daisy.
You create and manage bugs right from its CLI with commands like git bug add, git bug push, git bug ls, and so on. The software ships with an interactive terminal UI and a work-in-progress web UI as well. Gitbug also bridges to other bug trackers like GitHub, GitLab, Jira, and Launchpad. This project is super cool, but in the README, Michael says, help needed. This project has grown bigger than I can handle by myself, especially with a day job. I'm looking for people to help maintain part of it. If you know Go or want to learn it by experience, this looks like a great open source project to get involved with. Are you captivated by ChatGPT? Have you tried asking it a few things and gotten mixed results?
Help is on the way, dear.
This is Doubtfire.
Help is on the way.
Check out prompts.chat, an awesome list of prompts that get great results. Here's an example I cribbed from the list and adapted for the lulz. Quote, "I want you to act as a poet. You will create poems that evoke emotions and have the power to stir people's soul. Write on any topic or theme, but make sure your words convey the feeling you are trying to express in beautiful yet meaningful ways. You can also come up with short verses that are still powerful enough to leave an imprint on readers' minds. My first request is, I need a poem about changelogs." End quote. Without further ado, I present to you a poem about changelogs by ChatGPT.
A changelog is a record of change, a document that tracks each new feature and fix, each update, each addition, each bug that is squashed. A changelog is a living, breathing document. It grows with each release, each iteration, a reflection of the hard work and dedication of the team behind the code, the ones who pour their hearts and souls into making something better, something whole. A changelog is a glimpse into the past, a record of all that has come to pass, a reminder of the progress we have made, and the road that still lies ahead, unafraid. So here's to the changelog, a testament to growth, a celebration of change in all that it brings. May it continue to evolve and shine, a beacon of hope in a world that is constantly changing.
Mike Nikles thinks dev environments in the cloud are a half-baked solution.
What do you guys want?
Get some sour cream and onion chips with some dip, man. Some beef jerky, some peanut butter. Get some Haagen-Dazs ice cream bars, a whole lot of hot. Make sure chocolate, gotta have chocolate, man. Some popcorn, red popcorn, graham crackers. Graham crackers is the marshmallows, the little marshmallows and little chocolate bars, and we'll make some s'mores, man. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yo. Also celery, grape jelly, Captain Crunch with the little crunch berries. Pizzas, we need 2 big pizzas, man. Everything on them with water, whole lot of water, and Funyuns.
We've talked a lot about code spaces and a little about Gitpod, even as recently as last week with Christina Warren, so I found this article super timely and compelling. Here's Mike's top-level gripes with cloud dev environments. 1. You must have internet access. 2. Service availability is never 100%. 3. Product quality varies. 4. Latency is an issue. 5. Vendor lock-in is a thing. And 6. The pricing model incentivizes not working. Mike finishes up by saying the fully baked solution is a hybrid in your backyard, and he places his bet on who has the best chance at building such a solution. If you're curious about that, check the link in the show notes. OpenAI's Whisper model has been ported to C/C++. Georgi Gerganov's implementation has no dependencies, treats Apple Silicon as a first-class citizen, supports x86 architectures, has low memory usage, and runs on the CPU. The entire implementation of the model is contained in just 2 source files. I played with this some over the weekend and can confirm it's very easy to compile and run compared to the official Python/PyTorch setup, and it works extremely well for me so far. Because this port is so lightweight, it can go many places PyTorch cannot. For example, Georgi shows it running the model on an iPhone 13 fully offline, and it even runs in the browser via WASM. That's the news for now, and this is the final news episode of the year. We always take 2 weeks off at the end of December to relax, rejuvenate, and reboot our brains for what's next. We will still ship our regular interview show this Friday, which is a fun one. Sean Swick's Wang returns to the pod, this time to discuss these new prompts in our lives. Stable Diffusion 2, ChatGPT versus Google, and all that jazz.
And all that jazz.
After that, you can expect our annual State of the Log episode sometime next week, and then that's it. We're done till the calendar flips a new one. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you again on Friday.